Good morning, friends. It's 9:30 in the morning, and today we will be exploring the local market of Colombo because today I'm in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So I have heard from our guide that Colombo has beautiful beaches and a lot of stuff in the local market. So that will also be seeing today. And also in this vlog, we will also have a tour of Ramada where I have stayed for the night. So the food Ramada offers, also the hotel tour and the local market of Colombo that we will be seeing in this vlog. So remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and watch the video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Told you I have come for a breakfast and I'll show you what they have. You have variety of breads here in the breakfast. Also the variety in the cheeses you have, and also you have the different type of jam and jelly, if you could see. And let's see, go and see in these other veg fried noodle, and you have paratha. After this you have French toast if you want to opt for. It started early, so some of these dishes have got finished. This is fish curry. Oh my god, fish curry in the breakfast. Also you have dal, and you have potato. Along with that you have grilled sausages, and you have grilled tomato. Okay, along with this you have boiled egg. Options in tea, coffee. This one is the last corner where you have options in the fruit. Okay, and curd. Fine, I'll quickly have my plate ready and we'll show you further. Okay, so guys, as I told you, I have with me Mr. Francis. He's going to be our tour guide. We are going to a city tour. So, Mr. Francis, what do you want to say? Like, which all of the stuff we'll be saying?
Yes, everybody okay now? You are good?
Which all are the places we'll be visiting?
We go to Hindu temple and
Buddhist.
whole city in Nikambo area, and Buddhist temple, Hindu temple, market area, fishing village. You can see the fishing.
Fishing village.
Yeah, fishing
Okay.
village.
So, if
And lagoon also. There is a lagoon.
lagoon also. You speak Hindi also?
हाँ मेरे को थोड़ा हिंदी आता है.
थोड़ा हिंदी आता है.
हाँ हिंदी बात.
हिंदी में क्या क्या आता है?
हम लोग को अभी हम इसको लेके जाएगा अभी निकाम्बो सिटी टूर में.
हाँ,
ये लोग को थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट करेगा.
क्या बात है.
Yes, yes,
आप इंडिया आए हैं कभी?
इंडिया नहीं आया. हम दुबई में गया.
दुबई में गए, इंडिया नहीं आए. ओह, दुबई से हिंदी सीखा
दुबई से
आपने.
हिंदी सीखा.
क्या बात है. आप इंडिया आ जाओ. मैं
हाँ.
I will take you to the tourist places.
Okay, bye bye.
Chalo, bye bye. So this is the first part of the city tour, and we have come to an ancient Buddhist temple. Let's go in and know a little bit, the history about this temple. if you're coming to Colombo to explore, you have two different part of the city. One is Colombo and second one is Negombo. Colombo, you will find all modern infrastructure, malls, big buildings and stuff. And Negombo is the traditional town where you can get the different temples, including Buddhist and Hindu. Behind me, which you're seeing, is a Buddhist temple. Negombo also has a market, especially the beaches and the seafood market. Also, the market where you can buy the local stuff. So we had limited time, so we opted to visit to the Negombo. So this is the first temple. We'll be going to a Hindu temple. So stay tuned, keep watching. I'll be taking you to that temple as well. What was the name of our temple?
Angurukara Mulle.
Angurukara
Mulle.
Mulle.
Angurukara Mulle.
You have to repeat it again, okay, Francis?
Yeah. Angurukara Mulle.
Okay. Francis.
Which door? Not close one door.
Which is this area where we are going?
Negombo Lagoon area.
Negombo Lagoon area.
Negombo Lagoon.
Okay. What is the speciality of this area?
Fishing village. Actually,
Fishing village. Oh, I have heard about this.
Nobody wanted to
Okay,
go.
there's a huge fish market here.
Fish market also there.
Some went and nobody wanted
Okay.
to go to see that movie.
Tree. Especially there. Yeah.
Mango or
Mangrove.
Mangrove tree.
Mangroves are the trees that
Which is the
grow
popular
in
lagoon here?
swamps. So have you seen
This
the
one where we are going?
Negombo. Then Puttalam, another lagoon. The Parway.
You can get stuck in mangroves.
Negombo is a nice lagoon.
Okay.
You know, there's a mud color. It's all fishing boat here.
Fishing boat.
When I
Where are we going now?
And COVID did not hit bad.
Where are we
now
going?
we are to Negombo City lagoon area.
Negombo City Lagoon area. And this lagoon area is popular for fish market?
Fish market. Fishing.
Fishing.
They wanted to take over.
Crabs, prawns,
Okay, all seafood.
chinga, kekada, yeah.
Jhinga, kekada. It's famous for jhinga and kekada.
Still on the very close.
Okay.
मला जायचंय माझ्या बायकोला जायचं जास्त.
You like to get down here? I go and come back.
Yeah. So what you are seeing behind me is a Negombo Lagoon area, which is popularly known for its fish market. So it is one of those best tourist attractions. So it's very beautiful. Look at this, lot of ships been parked there to the coastal side. I'm not sure if you could see. Okay, fine. From here we'll be going to another point. So stay tuned, keep watching. So what you're seeing behind me is a Negombo beach. This is one of those beautiful beaches in Sri Lanka, especially Colombo, if you're coming. So we had gone to the Negombo Lagoon, and from there we had gone for the currency exchange. So if you want to exchange the currency, let me tell you, don't exchange in the hotel because the rate which was offered to us was 3 rupees. But here at the agent shop it was 3.5, so that was a better deal. Fine. So from this we'll be going to a local market. So I'll show you how is the local market. Stay tuned and keep watching.
Breaking. The other team is to try and stop.
So I'm in there. So right now I'm in the store where you get all grocery stuff. Can you guess the price of a water bottle? So it is 130 rupees in Sri Lankan rupees. So I'll show you different stuff. This is soda bottle, 180 rupees. See, the price of lemonade is 150 rupees this bottle, but it is in Indian, not in Indian, Sri Lankan rupees. See, look at the price chart, but it is in Sri Lankan rupees. Lot of Indian brands are also available. इंडिया के भी बहुत सारे ब्रांड है भाई यहाँ पे. See. भाई साहब प्राइस देखो, 440 में 1 kg पोटैटो है और 290 में ऑनियन 1 kg. So these are the price rates you see in Sri Lanka. Hello. How was your experience? Good?
Very interesting. How about yourself?
You can call me later on, or you can send me SMS. The phone will take SMS. It won't take any phones because I don't have roaming taken.
Do you use WhatsApp?
I live on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is
Yeah,
working.
we
No
are-
So lunch time, and I will show you what we have in lunch. It's country style vegetable broth, and this is we also have bread and butter here. I'll take you to the starters counter. You have salad, potato salad, chicken fish salad, green salad. You have British cabbage is also there, carrot, and as shown here, you have mustard sauce, different type of sauces. Main course you have steamed rice, lump rice, oh, fried chicken curry. Sir, what you opted? Chicken curry.
Yes, sir.
How was your today's city tour experience?
Oh, out of this world. I recommend everybody to have it done at least once in their lifetime.
Okay, enjoy your food.
Thank you.
You have steel fried veggies, then cabbage tempered,
I will
you have
enjoy it.
tempered potato, and dal curry. As I showed you in the morning, dessert and fruit cut corner. So I'll have my lunch and I'll show you for the details.